Ulam pangka yeng dorba thau an ke jala Meghalaya Thomas Sangma hak singi sajan kan ritorik bana jemang aja apun riu ulalit bani simbenta hak jinglang ban Plie ya kalumpung lekai jong ka Taekwondo ke ba ar jong ka Meghalaya Open Championship bat ya kalumpung jingïalehkai Taekwondo ke ba Ningkong First State Level Halapan Sport Club.
Young boys and girls for standing here in front of me, hoping to participate in the activity. Good morning to you, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to be part of this tournament. You have invited me as chief guest, and I'm very thankful for that. To be here as chief guest of the first Open Meghalaya State Championship and participating from all parts of the Northeast India. Maybe most of you will not know that I was also very long time back. I was also a student of a Taekwondo. So, Taekwondo is not only a sport. Taekwondo is a way of life. Taekwondo this discipline teaches you how to discipline yourself, how to live a life of integrity, how to respect one another. I know there will be only few minutes, but in this Taekwondo discipline, I would say there is no losers. There are no losers. You don't lose. You win or you learn. So when we come, Meghalaya is committed to promote sports and to give opportunities for our youth to excel themselves in sports at the state level, at the national level, and even at the international level. I think we have here a person who is 7-time world champion. So I think you should be encouraged that you should learn from her. I also would like to thank the parents for supporting your children. I also thank the organizers for organizing this very wonderful and very important event, this championship. So I want to congratulate the organizers, the officials, the coaches, and above all, I wish you all your participants all the very best. Give your best. Don't think about nobody of winning, but coming here and participating itself is a victory for each one of you. So we need you all. I want to give all the ladies championship, the success and encourage our young our youth to shine in this discipline. Congratulations. Thank you very much.